Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! Today I'm gonna show you how you can upload audio in Roblox in 2023. Let's go! So first up, you need to go to the Roblox website and simply log in with your account information. Then from here, we want to select the third option, which says Create. Now here we want to scroll down and select Manage My Experiences. Then when we're taken to this page, we want to select development items, the very last option right here, and then the third option from underneath it, which says audio. So right here, we are able to upload an asset. So just click on that and then click on upload. And we're just going to select a random sound. You can write a description for it, the name, and then of course you can select the type. So this is an audio. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, and all you have to do is click on upload so it might be reviewed by other viewers as well. It might take a little bit of time to review, but that is how you do it. Pretty simple. That is how we upload audio to Roblox.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.